Hey everyone, so here's something I don't think I've ever done on this channel. I'm going to unbox my new laptop. It's a Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 2, and just for the sake of comedy and retroness, next to it is a IBM ThinkPad 770 from 1997. Now, needless to say, I have not gone 23 years without buying a computer, but this is the oldest one I have kicking around. And I should have unlatched it before. Needless to say, I also don't have three hands. This might be a little tricky. This thing still works fine. I use it to play old games and stuff and just fart around and load up Netscape and shit for the hell of it. There you go. There's an original ThinkPad. A little bit heavier and thicker than this guy is going to be. The only thing I've done so far is, well, first not show you all my personal information, but is cut the little Lenovo sticker here so I can take the cardboard tabs out and open the top. Let's break in here. And it ships in a crappier box, and I guess the fancier looking box is on the inside. And for any of you computer people who are watching this and have no idea who the heck I am, and you happen to like cars, I'm also a car nerd. I have an S3, a Q5 TDI, there's a 50s Beetle in there, 57. So anyway, and I'm not a computer nerd, so I'm probably going to mess something up or whatever, so, you know, go ahead and land-baste me in the comments if I say a fact wrong, but I'm not really going to care, because I'm a car person. But I tend to buy, when it comes to electronics, something that's fairly nice, that'll last me a while, and then I don't have to upgrade for a while. So that's why I got this thing. And yes, I did some research ahead of time, and actually the other main reason I got this thing is because I got a huge discount through work. This, I don't know the exact name, but if you go on the Lenovo website, this is the one that has the original price of $3,939. So it's fairly heavily loaded, but it does not have the OLED screen, which is good because apparently it eats the battery life like crazy. So this, I assume, has the power cord in it and stuff. We'll open this up. This is looks like the box, which has little, you know, bumpers on it. So let's save the best for last and look at the little accessory box here. What's in here? I know it should have a 135 watt charger in here. There's the cord for it, with little protectory things on it. Alright, we're going to use some foot action here, because that's how we roll. Yep, so here's the charger thing that it comes in for anybody who actually cares about this. It does say 135, they probably can't read it, it's 135 watt anyway. So there's a little charger, and that's all that's in the box. So let's take our little bumpers off. Now, we are in... I'm not doing this in 2 takes, sorry guys. Alright, so here's the box it comes in. Okay. Cool, got the Think dot on it, little emblems and everything. It's red on the back. Now, hopefully, I can rip this myself so I don't have to run inside and get something. I'm probably not going to be able to, so bear with me. Yeah, this is the part where you double tap the screen a couple times to fast forward to the boring part. Aha! I do not regret not taking my box cutter out here. Whee! Okay, so there's that. Let's open this up, very shiny. Okay, so there's all the plastic coming off. Yay, hooray. Okay, plastic gone. I think it must just lift off the top, like, I don't have enough. I keep thinking I have 3 hands. You just go lift it up, and I'll lift it up. I'll try to show you. Put it under my chin. This probably looks like crap. Ta-da! Alright. So who knows if you actually saw any of that, because it was under my chin, but here we go. ThinkPad, X1, and we'll take this, a little tab here, lift this up, and take the unit out. And it's all neatly wrapped in here. Let's put this to the side for a sec. And then this will slide down and fall on the rocks. So what's in here? Our secret little flap. We have a setup guide for the X1 Extreme Gen 2. Then we have the safety and warranty guide, which I'm not going to bother taking out of the package. We'll just take the plastic off the unit, and I'll show you what it looks like. If I can figure this out. I haven't bought a laptop since 2011. There we go. Not that that has anything to do with the packaging, but there we go. Very sticky. Very exciting. Alright, here we go. Last part. One thing I did gather from all the reviews I read, this is a very serviceable laptop. There's just a couple of screws you gotta take off, and you can change them. You can add some more storage and stuff, and this one has a 1 terabyte solid state drive. There's an extra slot for another one. It already has 32 gigs of RAM, so I probably would never need to upgrade that. You can see some of the cooling ducts in here. It's got 2 fans, but it's very light. It weighs 3.6 pounds. It's got the i7 processor. And let's open this guy up. Very nice. ThinkPad. Traditional kind of ThinkPad keys, which are super nice feeling. There you go. It's a 9th gen i7. This has Wi-Fi 6. Got some Dolby speakers. Fingerprint readers here. Here's your power on button. X1 Extreme embossed in there. Lenovo badge there, and you've got your little privacy shutter for the webcam. You slide this over, and a little red dot means your thing's covered. You don't have to put tape over or anything. It's a very smooth matte finish. I'm sure it'll collect fingerprints like crazy if the reviews are alright, which I expect they would be. Anywho, I'm not going to turn it on because I want to plug it in and do all that stuff, but maybe I'll do a follow-up video if you guys want to see it, and thank you, Truck. So anyway, there is the shiny new PC. I'm going to download like BeamNG and do all that fun car stuff because my other laptop's ancient and probably couldn't handle it. So there's my very bad unboxing video of a Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme Gen 2. I'm very excited to get it going. And if you guys want more videos of this machine or want me to try to do anything with it that you want to see, feel free to leave a comment. And thanks. Catch you later.